we are facing a silent crisis when it comes to technical education. Across Malaysia, both students and industrial workers want to learn some new skills, but they are blocked by one massive problem: theory-based technical education. Everywhere you go to take up a new skills, you're bombarded with lots of lecture slides and notes. You can learn from YouTube, but still you're stuck with just theory. Let's take a switch for an example. You can know how does it function, but you can never know how to actually wire it with your own hands. It is even worse when it comes to industrial workers. If they want to learn something, they can't practice it in their own machines using real-world equipments because it can be too risky and too pricey. So we end up with a growing skills gap, a workforce that is willing to learn but has no tools, no access, and no safe space to learn. That's the gap that we at College Biz Mechatronic are trying to close. College Biz Mechatronic is a 5-star rated TVET college under the accreditation of Department of Skills Development Malaysia (JPK), Human Resources Development Corporation (HRDC), and also Skills Development Fund Corporation (PTPK). So, College Biz Mechatronic was first found in the year 2001 by TSP Manikabasagam as a specialized automation training provider. So, we have produced over 15,000 graduates comprising of school leavers and also industrial workers like engineers and also technicians, with over 90% of them working in the automation industry. So, we at College Biz Mechatronic focus on mechatronic engineering only, blending electrical, electronic, mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatics, PLC and industrial IoT trainings, where we establish 80% practical and 20% theoretical training methodology using real-world equipments. At College Biz Mechatronic, we provide customized training for two groups of people. Number one, school leavers. So, we provide training for school students and pack them with lots and lots of practical skills so that they understand what is actually happening in the industry. And by the end of the training, most important of all, we make sure they get a well-paid job in the same field. As of technicians and industrial workers, we provide customized training based on their job-specific needs and also the machine requirements. This means we don't do one-size-fits-all approach. We make sure we work closely with the company and find out what exactly is the technician's needs, whether it comes to troubleshooting a control panel or trying to program a certain kind of machine, or as simple as trying to learn how to switch on a light system.
At Biz Mechatronic, we let companies choose which brand of PLC, a type of microcontroller, they want to train with. PLCs are used nearly in every part of the automation industry. We have brands like Omron, Mitsubishi, Siemens, Allen Bradley, Schneider, Delta, Keyence, ABB, Panasonic, Vicon. By exposing students and industrial trainees to multiple devices, we ensure they are job ready for any industries, whether it's automotive, electronics, food beverage, oil and gas, or general manufacturing. Our physical kits are only available at Biz Mechatronic Shah Alam and Tuanan Sabah campus. Students from other states' rural schools often do not have access to this equipment. Even schools that wish to collaborate with us face financial and logical barriers. These industrial kits are expensive, and to utilize them, you need constant guidance. Another rising challenge is the shortage of experienced trainer, especially in the technical field. In bigger classes, many students don't get the personalized guidance which they need to correct mistakes to understand circuit logics and also to build confidence. We strongly feel that any education provided with the right practical skill and right guidance can change one's life.
To overcome the current challenges, we have developed a virtual AI-powered training assistant that brings practical training to anyone, anywhere. This system combines a realistic practical-based simulation with a smart AI assistant that allows students to gain hands-on experience without being physically present at our campuses. We introduce to you the Electrobot. Students build and test circuits using virtual wires with real-time voltage logic, just like using physical kits, but safer and fully online. Electrobot acts like a 24/7 trainer, giving real-time feedback and guiding students step by step through each task. The bot works in multiple languages, including local languages like Bahasa Malaysia, making it easier for Malaysian students to understand and engage. Learners can practice freely without risk or damage. The system does not replace trainers, it supports them. By handling the basics, it frees up the trainers to focus on more advanced topics and personalized coaching, allowing them to guide more students effectively. Electrobot turns learning into a fun game, not a typical classroom. With timers and challenge modes, students rush to complete the circuit, which keeps them focused and excited. This gamified approach makes learning fun, reduces dropout, and also keeps the students engaged while building real skills.
We are revolutionizing technical education with an AI-powered virtual training system that turns an electrical circuit into something of an interesting and game-like experience. This is accessible anywhere and anytime. By breaking barriers of location, cost, and fear, we are not just innovating. We are shaping the future of hands-on learning, and that's why we represent the next generation of innovators.
With the right support, this solution can be further developed, refined, and scaled to impact even more learners across the country. We truly appreciate this opportunity and the ongoing efforts by PTPK and HRDC in empowering innovative training initiatives like ours. Thank you.